afternoon, dear students. Good afternoon. So in today's class, we will discuss a case study based problem in the subject web technology. So we are going to discuss about the online bookstore system. So previously, all the records about the online bookstore system was stored manually. So the user faced lot of difficulties and pain points. So to overcome this, we will discuss a case study problem for this particular solution. So we are going to create an online bookstore system. So with the help of HTML, CSS and SQL as a backend. So using this we are going to create an online bookstore. So where the user can access the bookstore's information in a more effective manner, and also they can place their orders, they can manage their book materials, and also the inventory management system. Using the inventory management system, so we can maintain all the details in a very easy manner. So we will discuss about this case study problem one by one. You can share your views about this particular case study problem.
Introduction. Today's digital e-commerce application being for education related business, bookstores being on the most essential part of education. Academic institutions face challenge maintaining large and serving students on time. Students can search and purchase books online. Teachers can recommend and share resources. Admins can easily manage book and orders. Web page, front end, HTML, CSS, back end, PHP, MySQL.
So anyone can share your views about this case study
problem statement. Manual process and checking availability and purchasing is time consuming, and no 24/7 availability for resources. Student cannot compare the prices and the services easily. Staff can struggle to manage the large libraries, inventories manually.
So these are the problem statements. So in this problem statement, she has mentioned 4 points. So we will give solution for this particular problem statement.
There are some objectives for this problem. Design a responsive user-friendly web page. Then we implement a secure login and register page. Then to allow the users to search, filter and purchase many books. Then to create admin panel for inventory management and to ensure database for security and scalability.
Okay. So as she discussed, so these are some of the valid points that is to be considered. So next, anyone can share your views about this.
System architecture have 4 types: front-end, back-end, database hosting, front-end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Postman, back-end, Node, PHP, Python and Postman, database, MySQL, structured user database, hosting, server, storing.
So as she told, we can go for HTML as your front end. We can use PHP and also MySQL as a back end. And for hosting, you can go for either cloud storage or other cloud storage devices you can use.
Module has a 3 types: user model, admin model, database model. User model we can use online book system has been registered and we can search the title or the categories like that. We can search admin model. We can search the add new book and you can update the old book and revision one. Database model has 2 things: table and relationship. User and order for relationship.
So as she discussed, we can go for these 3 modules. So using these 3 modules, you can maintain your database in a well-defined manner. So it will be more user-friendly to access. So by implementing this, you can improve the efficiency of the system also.
Implementation, front end, HTML forms for login, registration, book search, CSS and book search for styling and dynamic responsive design, data, database SQL for storing and retrieving books, orders and with users.
Research and discussion lab. Using this process, they can purchase between three things in desktop, laptop, and tablets. By using manual work or reduce 60% now, we have password for security purposes.
So we have several password mechanisms. So every user is given a valid login ID and a password. So the users are validated against that, and they can access the bookstore information 24/7 online. And most of the manual works are reduced while we go for this application.
I'm not sure. This case study demonstrates the importance of web technology, building practicals and real-world application. In bookstore, in online bookstore system, it combines front-end design, back-end logic, and data management to secure and user-friendly solution. Future enhancement AI-based technology, chatbot support for users, payment
Gateway.
Payment
We have
gateway.
several payment gateways also. So can anyone conclude this case study? Can anyone conclude this study? What we have learned from this case study? So we have created an online bookstore. So we have several disadvantages. So most of the works are done manually. So by developing this web-based application, so the web-based application is more user-friendly and effective for the users. So whenever needed, so the user can access all the information about the bookstore using this web-based application. Okay, thank you all for sharing your valuable information about this case study.